Guys, this is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit Blaze tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a Fitbit Blaze screen. All the parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website and are linked below. So the first tool I'll be using is this T2 screwdriver for these 4 back housing screws. So you want to go ahead and take those off. They should all come out like that. Move the screws to the side. And when you unscrew it and the back housing is still connected, I like to use this plastic pry tool because it doesn't damage anything if it's metal. And in between the side that has the 2 buttons, you want to go ahead and go in between the 2, dig in there and just pry the back housing up like such. You don't want to pry it up on the home button side, being the left button, because as you see there's a ribbon right here and there's possibility when you pry down and up you might damage it. So when you have that done, the ribbon is connected to the heart rate module right here, and there's going to be a little clip here. It's either going to be black or white, so you want to go ahead and pry that up. That'll allow you to take your main board ribbon out of the heart rate monitor, set the back housing aside, and you're left with the screen, which is connected to the main board and battery by these 3 ribbons. So again, you want to take your plastic pry tool and dig in there and just lift up sideways so you don't damage any of the points. Now it's all disconnected. You want to take a flathead screwdriver, and on the side of the 2 buttons there's going to be a little metal clip here. You want to get in between that and the screen housing. It fits perfectly, and just pry up like that. Should come out really easy, and you're left with your screen. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.